Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, that feels so weird to say. It has been so long since I filmed a YouTube video, and I wanted to start off by asking you guys a question. Do you still like watching YouTube videos? Are you still interested in them? Do you come to YouTube very often? I've been dying to make more YouTube videos again, and I just have so many ideas in my head, but I just feel like people are more into TikTok and Instagram Reels right now. Just something quick and fast-paced, so I want to know, please leave me a comment if you still like YouTube videos, because if you do, I would 100%, a million percent be down to keep filming YouTube videos and get back on it and keep uploading every week. So let me know down in the comments. I'm still active on my TikTok and my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on there. So for today's video, I really wanted to film something super glam and intense and a cool technique. So this is what I came up with for you guys. I'm obsessed with how this turned out, so I hope that you guys are as well. And if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Natasha Denona Mini Xenon palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Mist. Going in with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to start creating a winged out shape with this shadow. This is going to be our transition shade and help make all the other shadows much more blendable. I'm concentrating most of this pigment towards this outer corner because the inner corner we're not really going to blend out as much as this outer corner. So then once I have a little bit left on my brush, then I'll start kind of feathering that in. I'm also going to take that under my lower lash line. I want my lower lash line to connect to all the shadows on the outer corner, so everything's going to kind of swoop from here all the way up to here. I'm now going into Gloom. I'm now switching over to my Sigma E27 detail blending brush. I just want a little bit more precision with this application out here. And I'm kind of creating this like eyeliner winged out shape, and then I'm going to start buffing that out. And then when I have barely any product left on the brush, I'm going to start lightly just feathering that in. Just on this outer third. Now once I have that rough shape on, I'm going to go into my E15 flat definer brush and start applying the shadow on my lower lash line, all the way into the inner corner. Smoking that out and then connecting that up into the crease shadow. Now going back into Mist, I'm going to start buffing all of this out. I'm going to create a cut crease on my inner corner with my Sigma E06 wing liner brush. And then I'm going to create an inner corner wing. And now with my E27 detail blending brush, I'm just going to fill in this inner part. And then with a little bit of Mist, just buffing this out, making sure to leave the center empty. I'm now picking up Chromatic. Look at how stunning this silver is. So now I'm just going to apply this in the center of where I didn't apply any shadow. And then just swipe off the brush and buff everything in just to make sure there's no harsh lines and everything just blends seamlessly. I'm going into the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smokey Gel Pencil in Smoky Black. I'm now just going to line my upper waterline and lower waterline. I'm going into the Tati Lashes in 90s Baby, and that's the eye look done. For lips, I want to keep them nude. I really want all that concentration on my eyes. I'm just so obsessed with this eye look. I feel like it needs to be paired with a nude lip. So I'm first going to line my lips and kind of fill them in a little bit to give them dimension. And I'm going into NYX Eye and Eyebrow Pencil. I know that sounds weird, but I didn't realize it wasn't a lip pencil, and this is in the shade Light Brown. So what I did was just line my lips and then shade in the outer corners and then the middle part, basically kind of all over the lip, just avoiding the center. You can also just pat your lips together to help blend that out. And then going into the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo, I'm just going to apply this in the center of my lip and buff that out. So you can definitely leave your lip just like this if you want to leave it matte, and it's just so comfortable. That's why I love these soft matte lip creams. But I want to add a little bit of shine. I know I didn't want to take away from the eyes, but just a little bit of gloss. I'm going into the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine in She's Expensive. It is so pretty. And that is it. This is the completed look of my smoky gray and silver halo cat eye. I hope that you enjoyed. Once again, I'm going to tell you how obsessed I am with this look. I love this technique so much. You could do this with honestly any shade and it would look amazing. So don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if you still like watching YouTube videos and are interested in makeup tutorials. So all of the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this tutorial, I haven't shown this to you guys in a while. It's back in stock. Don't forget to check this out. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I have nails and makeup and TikToks for both my nails and makeup, and Instagrams for both my nails and makeup. So that will be all listed down below as well. And thank you so much for watching. It feels so good to be back. And I'll see you next time. Bye.